Looks like it works. We don't have to buy no more water. Look at all the money that we spend on buying water for these bougie chickens, man. So now I've been using a different water that we get from inside, from the sink. So they can drink sink water now because yesterday I tried it. Looks like they ain't too bougie after all. Look at this one over there. Zoom in a little bit and give them some food. This one right here is waiting for water. See if it works. See, it works. Gonna see, give him some food.